Second bit, fourth question. Solve the following equations given that roots of each are in AP. So fourth, I will do second first, latter first one we will discuss. So x cube minus 3x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. So this is the equation number 1. So roots are in AP. Given roots are in AP. If roots are in AP, we need to find out the roots. Okay, roots are in AP. What is AP? So common differences are equal. So let us consider the roots are, the roots are, if we are taking first one A, second one A plus D, third one A plus 2D. To avoid that one, so I am taking, let the roots are A minus D, A plus D. Why I am taking, if we are taking A minus D, the difference of A to A minus D is D, difference of A to A plus D is also D. Why I am taking like this? If we are taking some, D will be getting cancelled. That's why I am taking like this. A minus D, A plus D. Okay. The three roots are AP. These three are in AP. Sum A minus D plus A plus D equal to minus of minus 3 by 1. So D getting cancelled. A plus A, 3A equal to 3 implies A equal to 1. So we got one root. So therefore A equal to 1 is a root of equation 1. We need two more roots. So I want to apply Horner method. 1 minus 3 minus 6 8. A equal to 1. Initially we need to take 0. 1 plus 0 1. 1 into 1 1. Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. 1 into minus 2 minus 2. Minus 6 minus 2 minus 8. 1 into minus 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So this equation, this we got a quotient. So constant x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Now 4 into 2 8. So x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. In this x common, x minus 4 plus 2 common, x minus 4 equal to 0. In this x minus 4 common, x plus 2 equal to 0. So either x minus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. X equal to 4 or x equal to minus 2. Therefore roots are minus 2. Already we took 1. This one 4. So the difference of minus 2 comma 1 is 1 minus of minus 2 plus 3. 4 minus 1 3. So these are in AP. So this is the required answer. So I am taking first one now. So what is the first one? 8x cube minus 36x square minus 18x plus 81 equal to 0. So this is the equation. For this equation we need to prove roots. Already given the information are in AP. Roots are in AP. Roots are in AP. If the roots are in AP, let roots, if we should take A minus D, A plus D. Sum A minus D plus A plus D equal to minus of minus 36 by 8. D cancel. 3A equal to 36 by 8. 3 into 1, 3 into 12. A equal to cancel with 4, 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is the one of the root. So if 3 by 2 is one root, I want to find out the remaining roots. 8 minus 36 minus 18 plus 81. A equal to 3 by 2. I want to apply Horner method. So I am taking 0 initially. 8 plus 0, 8. Observe carefully. I want to divide first, later multiply. 8 by 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. Understand? 8 by 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. Minus 36 plus 12, minus 24. Now, minus into plus, minus. First divide, 24 by 2, 12. 12 into 3, 36. Minus 36 minus 18, minus 54. Plus into minus, minus 54 by 2, 27. 27 into 3, 81. 81 minus 81, 0. So we are getting 0. Now the equation 8x square minus 24x minus 54 equal to 0. Taking 2 common, 4x square minus 12x minus 27 equal to 0. Bringing 2 outside. 4x square minus 12x minus 27 equal to 0. So 27 into 4, 108. So this 108 we should write 18 into 6, 108. 4x square minus 18x plus 6x minus 27 equal to 0. 2x common, 2x minus 9 plus 3 common, 2x minus 9 equal to 0. 2x minus 9 common, 2x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x minus 9 equal to 0 or 2x plus 3 equal to 0. X equal to 9 by 2, x equal to minus 3 by 2. Therefore, roots are 9 by 2, 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. These roots are in AP. This is the required solution. Second bit, fifth question. Solve the following equations given the roots of each are in GP. So previously we discussed the roots are in AP. Now we are discussing roots are in GP. If roots are in GP, what happen? How we will find the roots? So we will discuss in this problem. So first question, what is the equation? 3x cube minus 26x square plus 52x minus 24 equal to 0. So let us consider equation number 1. So this is the equation. So roots are in GP. So if roots are in AP, what we consider? So if the roots are in AP, common differences are equal. If the roots are in GP, common ratios are equal. So previously we took A minus D, A plus D. Here we are taking, let roots are A by R, A R. For example, if we are taking first one A by R, if we are multiplying with R are getting cancelled, A. Again multiplying with R, we are getting AR. So these roots are in GP. Now if we take, if roots are in AP, we are taking the sum. If the roots are in GP, we are taking the product. Product equal to A by R, AR equal to first minus, next plus, next minus. So we need S3, minus 1 whole cube minus of minus 24 by 3. So R are getting cancelled. A cube equal to minus of minus plus 24 by 3, 8. A cube equal to 2 cube, A equal to 2. So therefore A equal to 2 is a root. One root we got already. So I want to apply Horner method. So coefficients is 3, minus 26, 52, minus 24. A equal to 2. 0. Initially 3 plus 0, 3. 2 into 3, 6. Minus 26 plus 6, minus 20. 2 into minus 20, minus 40. 52 minus 40, 12. 2 into 12, 24. Minus 24 plus 24 equal to 0. So this we got, this is equal to 0. So now constant x square, 3x square minus 20x plus 12 equal to 0. So this equation, I want to find out the equation, roots of this equation. So if we are taking the roots, 12 into 3, 36, 18 into 2, 36, 3x square minus 18x minus 2x plus 12 equal to 0. Now in this 3x common, x minus 6, minus 2 common, x minus 6, equal to 0. In this x minus 6 common, 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So either x minus 6 equal to 0 or 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 6, x equal to 2 by 3. Therefore roots are 2 by 3 to 6. If we multiply 2 by 3 with 3, we will get 2. If we multiply 2 with 3, we will get 6. So the ratios are equal, so these are in GP. So this is the required solution. Next, second, 54 x cube minus 39 x square minus 26 x plus 16 equal to 0. This is the equation. So roots, we need to find out the roots. So roots are in GP. Roots are in GP. So if the roots are in GP, let roots are A by R, A R. Product A by R, A R equal to minus plus minus, minus 16 by 54. R are getting cancelled. A cube equal to cancel with 2, 8 by 27. A cube equal to minus 2 by 3 whole cube. A equal to minus 2 by 3. A value minus 2 by 3. I want to apply Horner method. So first coefficients 54 minus 39 minus 26 16. A equal to minus 2 by 3. Initially we are taking zeros. We should concentrate here. 54 plus 0, 54. Minus into plus minus. 54, first divide. 54 by 3, 18. 18 into 2, 36. Minus 39, minus 36, minus 75. Minus into minus plus. 75 by 3, divide first. 75 by 3, 25 into 2, 50. 50 minus 26, 24. Minus into plus minus. Divide first. 24 by 3, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 minus 16, 0. We must get here 0. Then only it is right. So constant x square. 54 x square minus 75 x plus 24 equal to 0. 3 common. 18x square minus 25x minus 25x. 25 into 3, 75 plus 8 equal to 0. 3 bringing outside 18x square minus 25x plus 8 equal to 0. 18 into 8, 144. 16 into 9, 144. 16 plus 9, 25. 18x square minus 9x minus 16x plus 8 equal to 0. In this 9x common, 2x minus 1. In this minus 8 common, 2x minus 1. So 9x minus 8 of 2x minus 1 equal to 0. 9x minus 8 equal to 0. 2x minus 1 equal to 0. 9x equal to 8. 2x equal to 1. X equal to 8 by 9. X equal to 1 by 2. Roots. So this is the middle of the root. So 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3, 8 by 9. So this is the answer. So these roots are in GB. If you find a common ratio, the ratios are equal. So it is in GB. Second bit, sixth question. Solve the following equations given the roots of each are in HP. So first question, 6x cube minus 11x square plus 6x minus 1 equal to 0. So equation number 1 I am taking. So given the roots are in HP. What is HP? HP means harmonic progression. So already we know in 10th class arithmetic progression, geometric progression, but harmonic progression is not in 10th class. So first we will discuss what is harmonic progression. So what is arithmetic progression? If the terms are in AP, when the terms are in AP, so the common differences are equal. A, B, C are in AP if B minus A equal to C minus B. A, B, C are in AP. B minus A equal to C minus B. So the differences are equal, then it is called common difference. So A, B, C are in AP. A, B, C are in GB. B by A equal to C by B. So ratios are equal, then it is in GP. Now HP. What is HP? If A, B, C are in AP, then its reciprocals 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in HP. Or else if X, Y, Z are in HP, 1 by X, 1 by Y, 1 by Z are in AP. So this is the concept. So if three numbers, not only three numbers, any numbers we are taking, if those are in HP, then their reciprocals are in AP. If some numbers are in AP, then their reciprocals are in HP. This is the relation between AP and HP. So similarly, we are finding these roots are in HP. We need to convert the roots are in AP. So I want to remove this one. So I think you understand the concept of HP now. So first, roots of equation 1 are in HP. I want to take a reciprocal equation. Reciprocal equation means wherever it is x, I want to take 1 by x. Reciprocal equation. Reciprocal equation. Roots are in AP. So roots of the reciprocal equation are in AP. So 6 of 1 by x whole cube minus 11 of 1 by x whole square plus 6 of 1 by x minus 1 equal to 0. This is the reciprocal equation. So x instead of x I want to write 1 by x. So 6 by x cube minus 11 by x square plus 6 by x minus 1 equal to 0. So the highest denominator x cube. So I want to multiply with x cube. 6 x cube by x square, x minus 11x. X cube by x square, 6x square minus x cube equal to 0. Multiply with minus x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equal to 0. Equation number 2. So this is the equation 2. Roots of equation 2 are in AP. Now we continue the previous process. Let roots are A minus D, A plus D. A minus D, A plus D. Sum. If we are taking AP, we should take sum A plus A minus D plus A plus D. So we are taking about equation 2 only. Minus of minus 6 by 1. D cancel. 3A equal to 6, A equal to 2. A equal to 2. So A equal to 2, I want to apply Harner method. Equation 2. I am finding roots of only equation 2, not equation 1. Equation 2 roots I am finding. So 1 minus 6, 11 minus 6, A equal to 2, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 2 into 1, 2. Minus 6 plus 2, minus 4. 2 into minus 4, minus 8. 11 minus 8, 3. 2 into 3, 6, 0. So constant x square. X square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Factorization. X square minus 3x minus x plus 3 equal to 0. X common, x minus 3. Minus 1 common, x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 3 common, x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 1, x equal to 3. Roots of equation 2 are 1, 2, 3. So these are the equation 2 roots. 1, 2, 3. These are in AP. Difference of 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. But we need equation of roots of equation 1. Roots of equation 1 are. So these are the required roots. So equation 1 roots are HP. HP is nothing but so the numbers which are in HP, then their reciprocals are AP. If the numbers are in AP, then their reciprocals are in HP. Roots of equation 1 are reciprocals of roots of equation 2. So reciprocal 1 by 1, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So these are the roots of equation 1. So this is the second. 15x cube minus 23x square plus 9x minus 1 equal to 0. Equation number 1. 15x cube minus 23x square plus 9x minus 1 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. So given roots of equation 1 are in what? HP. Roots of equation 1 are HP. So these roots are in HP. What I am doing? Reciprocal equation roots are in AP. So given roots are in HP, reciprocal equation roots are in AP. 15 reciprocal. Instead of x I am writing 1 by x whole cube minus 23 1 by x whole square plus 9 of 1 by x minus 1 equal to 0. 15 by x cube minus 23 by x square plus 9 by x minus 1 equal to 0. So highest power x cube we should multiply with x cube. 15 x cube cancel minus 23 x cube by x square cancel x plus 9 x cancel x square minus x cube equal to 0. Now I want to take minus common and bringing outside x cube minus 9x square plus 23x minus 15 equal to 0. Equation 2. Roots of equation 2 are in AP. So this equation roots are in AP. So I am taking let roots are A minus D, A plus D. So sum I want to take sum A minus D plus A plus D equal to second highest power minus of minus 9 by 1. So D cancel 3A equal to 9, A equal to 3. So we got one root A equal to 3. I want to apply Horner method. So coefficients of equation 2 I am taking, not 1. 1 minus 9, 23 minus 15, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 3 into 1, 3. Minus 9 plus 3, minus 6. 3 into minus 6, minus 18. 23 minus 18, 5. 3 into 5, 15. So remainder 0. X square minus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. Factorization. 5 into 1. X square minus 5x minus x plus 5 equal to 0. X common. X minus 5. Minus 1 common. X minus 5 equal to 0. X minus 5 common. X minus 1 equal to 0. So either x minus 5 equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 5 or x equal to 1. So therefore roots are what we got 1 here. First already 3 and 5. Observe 1, 3, 5. These are in AP. So roots of given equation are reciprocal of the reciprocal equation. So these roots are in AP. Reciprocals of this one are in HP. So 1 by 1, 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 5. So 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 5 are the roots of the given equation.